Hey guys, welcome to the presentation. Today's topic is progressive overload and natural muscle growth. If you are lifting the exact same weights today as you were 6 months ago, you haven't built any meaningful muscle. Muscle hypertrophy, mostly for naturals, is direct evidence of mechanical adaptation. In order to build muscle as natural athlete, you need to get stronger in the rep range of at least 5 to, let's say, 10 reps. With increased strength, you will increase your muscle size. Stronger muscles are also bigger muscles. According to Hahnemann's precise principle, heavy loads force your nervous system to recruit high threshold motor units, the ones with the highest capacity for growth. Mechanical tension is the primary driver of hypertrophy. To make muscle fibers thicker, you must force them to produce more force over time, ideally, as said earlier, in the 5 to 10 rep range. In order to really have feedback on the whole progress, if you are progressing your lifts, I recommend to track everything. You cannot manage what you cannot measure. Log in every set, weight and reps, give you objective feedback instead of relying on subjective pump or fatigue. It's really kind of waste of time to just going to the gym and training whatever exercises you want, or just not having a certain plan that you are sticking to. And it's also a stupid idea to going to gym and not having your logbook or app where you measure all the lifts, all the sets, all the reps and everything, because you need to have clear path and you need to clearly see what weights you moved in the last training or the week before. And mostly as a natural, you must always strive to push to the new areas, push to the new weights where you haven't been before, because only this way you can have meaningful progress over months and years and possibly decades of your training. If you just look back in your logbook and see how much weight you lifted 5, 6, 7 months ago, and if you haven't made progress in most lifts by weight or reps over this period of time, you are probably not bigger. You might look bigger if you lose fat, if you have more glycogen stored in your muscles, you may temporarily look bigger. Your muscle quality might be better, but overall, to really see improvements in muscle size, you need to get stronger. Stop changing exercises and splits. Frequent exercise rotation leads to continuous neurological adaptations rather than true muscular overload. Every time you switch an exercise, the initial strength gains are just your brain learning the movement pattern, not the actual muscle growth. If you are constantly switching exercises, at first the progress is faster. It's because the movement pattern starts to get easier for your body to perform, and this way it might seem that you are progressing. But what I would recommend, if you are switching exercises more often, to always look to the overall history that you have in the performed exercise and try to beat the historical numbers in the chosen exercise. This way you know, for example, that you did 100 kg bench press for 10 reps, that this is your lifetime PR, and that you should be striving to hit 110 for 10 reps, to hit 100 kg for 15 reps, etc. This is just the reason to use logbook, to measure everything and to see where you're at. Enhanced lifters can trigger muscle protein synthesis through sheer volume and chemical assistance without this quote-unquote without significant strength leaps. Natural lifters lack this metabolic advantage. Progressive resistance is your primary chemical signal for growth. It's useless to just chase pump and natural lifters. As a natural lifter, it works for enhanced people, but if you're natural, just focus on getting stronger in your core chosen exercises. To summarize today's presentation, stop chasing variations, weekly split updates, magic tempos, or whatever magic exercise you find on Instagram. Just stick to your routine, stick to your plan, and try to progress all lifts over the certain period of time. Lock in your execution. This means try to keep your execution always perfect. Try to stick to similar tempo of the movement. Pick the lifts that are the most biomechanically advantageous for your body and track your numbers in the logbook. More weight moved with identical execution over the longer period of time means building muscle. My name is Filip. Thank you for watching the presentation and see you in the next presentation.